Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to become a digital marketer in 2022. How to become a digital marketer in 2022. Career options and guide to career options and salaries in 2022. 6 steps to becoming a digital marketer. Access your current skill set. You might not have held on a job with marketing and the title before. What does not necessarily mean? Access your current skill set. You might not have a whole job with making. Gain a foundational understanding of digital marketing. Obtain an education, boot camp learning, degree programs, self-directed study. Build a professional network. Pay-per-click PPC, CRO, social media marketing. How social media use how to grow over time. Email marketing. Sound old school, it might be your email marketing content, sales driver. One day when used effectively, can lead better engagement with your target audience. Influencer marketing. Not long ago, the primary influencers, those hired sell products, were actors, athletes, and musicians. Today, social media has produced a new generation of influencers, people who have branded themselves. The skills you need to become a digital marketer. Essential marketing skills. What to do digital marketers use. Career paths in digital marketing. How to get entry level digital marketing job. Digital marketing certifications. How much do digital marketers make? Job outlook and salaries. Annual salaries for market research analysts and marketing specialists. Hope you understand, like our video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video. Thanks for watching.